Okay, so the next program is you need to check given string is palindrome or not. So what is palindrome? So palindrome means so left hand side and right hand side characters should be same when you reach the middle point. So if those are same, then you can say it's a palindrome. Otherwise, you can say simply it's not a palindrome. For example, first, if you observe here, these two examples, see this first and last both are same. And next letter and last letter same. And this one same. Then you can say it's a palindrome. For example, here you see first letter and last letter, not same. Then first iteration itself, we can say it's not a palindrome. You don't need to do all the iterations to check that. So that's what we are doing here. So if you want to check anything, the given string is palindrome or not, so you just need to do, first take one return type method. You just take a return type method. So is palindrome, string str. So first you take one Boolean variable because this method is return type method. It is returning a Boolean value. Boolean is palindrome equal to true. Is palindrome equal to true. And for int I equal to 0, I less than string dot length by 2. See, we don't want to iterate all the string, the entire characters of the string. So you are doing divided by 2. Okay, so if that, so then compare the first letter and last letter. That's the if. See, loop inside if condition we are using. If str dot character of I, that means the first character is not equal to str dot character of I, the last character. How can you get the last character? String dot length minus I minus 1. Why I am using minus I minus 1? Because
You're
this I
comparing.
you need to reduce to get the next letters from right hand to left side. That's why we are reducing this. So, and so first I anyhow 0. So first time, this last you will get it. So both are same. Then loop will keep going. Right? This becomes a false. Not equal you are saying. Because these are equal, right? So here if you take this string, these are equal. So equal means again it will go and I value will increment and then checks the logic. If anything is not equal and this left side character and right side character, and then you are updating the is palindrome to from true to false. Then break it. Break means you're exiting the entire for loop. So return is palindrome. Return is palindrome. That means this. So whatever the value, so if it is not palindrome, it will return false. If it is palindrome, returns true. True means it says for this string, you will get a true. For this string, you will get a false. So based on the input, whatever the input user is giving, so whatever the input user is giving, that we can see that. So that's the one simple program. This is a very popular interview program also, this one. Same you can do, but this one, no, with the number also you can do. With the number, it is different. With the number, it is, basically you have to reverse the number. Then you can compare initial value, whatever the initial number, and after reverse, what is the value. Both are same, then you can say it's a palindrome number. Palindrome number is different, palindrome string is different, okay? So don't confuse. So here you don't need to reverse. You can just check here the characters. That's it. And compare the characters are same or not. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, so far.
Yeah. So next program, check given two strings are anagram or not. What is anagram? First, you should know what is mean by anagram. Anagram means, so one string characters you will use in another string, same character, but you will reframe that. You will reframe that, rearrange the letters and get a new word, basically. That is called so you can know, see that listen, silent. See, same letters only used, but rearranging them. So so the order is not mandatory. Okay, order is not mandatory. You can so you can know any order you can arrange the letters and you get the new word. But the thing is, you should not use the same letter multiple times. Whatever the letters are there in the letter count also should be same in both the length, both the strings. So both the strings, this string length should be same. Only letters you can rearrange them and you will get a so new string. And if both are same, both letters are same and everything same, length are same, then we can say those two strings are anagrams. Otherwise, if lengths are not same, initially you can tell that it's not an anagram. But there are steps. You can follow the steps. So step by step, if you remember that, and you can easily solve the problem. Like, in the mathematics also we'll follow step by step, right? So see, the user can give this S1 in cap letters or this S2 in lowercase. So first step, what you need to do is convert the strings into one format, lowercase format. Okay. So S1 equal to S1 dot 2 lowercase. So see, the S1 you are converting into lowercase. Whatever the letters he has given, uppercase or lowercase, some uppercase, it doesn't matter. But I am converting into one format. That's the first step. Convert both the string into one format into lowercase format. So that I assign. So once I convert, I will get a string only, right? Then I am assigning to S1 only. And S2 dot 2 lowercase, I am assigning to S2 variable. So step 2 is check the lengths of S1 and S2. If S1 dot length is not equal to S2 dot length, then you can simply say that S1 and S2 are not anagrams. So else, for example, if this is false, if it is false means it will come to else part, right? So then third step, so convert the string into character array. How can you convert the string into character array? Using toChar array method. See, all the methods I explained, those methods only you're going to use in the programs. So tomorrow you need to read the string methods, okay? All the string methods and the string theory, you read it.
Yes, sir.
And so we'll discuss on those tomorrow, okay? Character array, see that, S1 dot toChar array. S1 dot toChar array. So that will be converted into character. That's why return type of this method. So then variable name, array name, basically equal to object reference, string object reference. This is the literal, right? Literal is a string object. Literal also one string object. So object dot toChar array method. Same character array, S2 array equal to S2 dot toChar array. S2 dot toChar array. So now I converted both the strings into character array. Now step 4, sort the arrays using arrays class. Arrays is a class in java.util package. Is a predefined class. See that? Java.util package, this arrays class is there. So in this array class, we have so many methods. If you want to sort the arrays, you can use a sort method. This class sort method you can use. This is the, so now you can tell that. So sort is a what kind of method?
Static.
Static, because this is a class dot static method. So whenever method name before class name is there, this is a static method. So arrays dot sort S1 array, arrays dot sort S2 array. It will sort the both the arrays. Okay, sort and it will arrange here itself. Now step 5, compare both the array lengths using arrays class equals method. So you can compare both the arrays using equals method. So that is equals method is there in the string class, but we want to compare these two arrays, right? If you want to compare arrays, we don't have a method in the string class. So we have in the arrays class. Arrays is a one class in java.util package, predefined class, built-in class. So that method, so we are using. So this equals method, you have to pass both the arrays. If arrays dot equals S1 array comma S2 array is equal to true, is equal to true, is equal to true. So system.out.println S1 and S2 are anagrams. You can see both are same. If you get a true, then you can say S1 and S2 are anagrams. Else S1 and S2 are not anagrams. So that's the all the steps you need to remember this. Then it's going to be easy. But methods, mainly you need to remember the methods. So what are the methods we used in the from the step 1 to last step? Step 1 used the string class to lowercase method. Step 2 used the length method of string class. So both the lengths you are checking. And step 3 you are converting the both the strings into character array. Character array you are checking. And step 4, you're using array class. Arrays class, not array. Arrays class, which is available in java.util package. You need to import, because other package class you are using anywhere. So first you have to do import that class. And then we are using a sort method to sort the both the arrays. And 5th step, you are comparing both the arrays are same or not. If both are same, you can say anagrams. If both are not same, you can say those are not anagrams. So that is the how to check. So given 2 strings are anagrams or not. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay. So the next program, we need to find out number of vowels, consonants, numbers, special characters in the given string. You have to count. So you have to count in any string. Let them give any string. So you have to count them. So how to count them? So in the string, it can be any numbers also will be there. Special characters also will be there, right? So how can you count them? So that is the one program we are going to do that. And so let's do that. Let's do that. How can we do this count? So first step is you have to, whichever the characters you are counting, you take one variable for that characters, right? For example, vowels. So give vowels count int, because it's an integer, right? We want a number. That's why vowels count equal to 0 you declare. Consonant count equal to 0. Numbers count equal to 0. Special characters count equal to 0. Like that you declare variable. Initially it is nothing. Now you iterate the string. Iterate the string. So using for loop, for int I equal to 0, I less than str dot length, and I plus plus. So now you need to get each character, all vowels characters you get. If str dot the string dot caret of I is equal to small a, or str dot caret of I is equal to capital A. You know vowels, right? Vowels means A, E, I, O, U, right? A, E,
Yes.
I, O, U. So that check, see, I'm using R. So A is done. This value is equal to small a, or this value is equal to capital A. It can be anything, right? Or E, the str dot caret of I value is equal to E, or capital E, or small I, or capital I, IOU, AEIOU, I'm checking. That's why I'm putting R every place. If that is the one, right? So if that is the one, then you increment the vowels count by 1. See that. So I'm incrementing the vowels count by 1. How can you increment? Vowels count by 1 means plus plus operator. You need to use plus plus operator. Clear?
Yes.
So now, else if, for example, that character is not in this AEIOU category, then where it will come? This will become false and it will come to else if. It will come to else if. So str dot caret of I greater than or equal to small a, or str dot caret of I greater than or equal to capital A, and str dot caret of I is less than or equal to small z and capital Z. That means small a to small z or capital A to capital Z in between. Then, so if this is not AEIOU, then it will be in between these two, right? Any of A to Z only it will be there. So then you increment the count by 1 using consonant count. Increment the consonants count. Is it clear? So we are doing that. Okay. Okay. So in case if it is not in the A to Z, then it will come to another else if. See, all basics you are getting again repeatedly. For loop you are getting, nested if else you are getting, and if str dot caret of I greater than or equal to 0 character and less than or equal to 9, 0 to 9, in between 0 to 9, if these two are false, then that will be show number, right? That's why 0 to 9. Then I'm incrementing the number count variable by 1. Else, so if all these are not true, then where it will go? Else part, right? So I'm incrementing that might be a special character. So I'm incrementing the special character. Then you print separately all number of vowels. So we count. So here if a loop is ending. So loop is ending here. And after that I'm printing. So I'll get all the after loop, the total vowels count, consonants count, number count, and special character count. So that's the one interview program, this one also. Okay. Next. So we have a swap given 2 strings. We have seen swapping 2 numbers, right? But here you need to swap the strings. Again, string methods only. Everything string methods only. So how to do? Swapping means what? S1 good, S2 morning. So what will happen after a swapping? S1 value should be morning, S2 value should be good. That's output. You need to, swapping means that's a swapping, right? So are you clear here or not? This is the input your user is going to give, S1 and S2. But after output, S1 value will go to S2, S2 value should go to S1. That's a swapping means. And now see that first step is step 1. Maybe you can print before swapping, you can print S1 value and S2 values. And step 1, you concatenate both of them and assign to S1. See? So that's what we did, A plus B equal to A, right? We did A equal to A plus B. Same here, you are doing here, string also. S1 equal to S1 plus S2. Now it will become good morning, we will store in the S1. In step 2, fetch the S2 from S1. Now S1 means good morning. From good morning, you get the S2. Using substring method, int start index, int end index. So int start index, int end index means you give 0, 1, 2, 3 like that. Then you see that S2 equal to S1 dot substring 0, 0 means first, this one, comma, S1 dot length minus S2 dot length. So this total length, you remove the S2 length, automatically you will get the S2 value. So start string and end string. So this is the S1 dot length means this total. And S2 dot length means only this length. Then if you remove that, you will get a, so good. Good will go and store in the S2 now. Then same fetch S1 value using substring. So S1 equal to S1 dot substring of S2 dot length. S2 dot length is now S2 value is good. So that length, that means after this only. So the morning will come and store in the S1. So very simple logic, only substring method. Both the substring methods you are using here very easily. Is this clear or any complicated here? And then
No, it's
print
clear.
after swapping S1 and S2. So that is what you need to do. So let's do next program by joining, okay, back. So we can, we have less time and we'll join back.
Sure.
I'll stop here.